Hey, today we continue the You Better Not challenge. And in the next spot we have Africa. So let's get started. If you are an awesome bari player, skip to this part of the video, that's your tutorial. The intro sounds a little something like this. 1, 2, again, and 1, 2, again, and. So I'm doing down, up, 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 down, down, down. If it's easier for you to just do all downs, then do all downs. Let's try that again. Intro, 1, 2, ready, go. One more time, ready, go. Nice. By the way, if you want to sound exactly like the recording, tune your ukulele down half a step. So you're gonna loosen the strings half a step and that'll get you to sound just like the song. Alrighty, for the verse, I want you to think about the next chord always moving forward to the next chord, because most chords will have only 2 beats. So play along with me if you're ready. If not, just watch. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that with me if you can. If you're a little bit more advanced, add the 2 down strums. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now for my more advanced people, I want you to do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, try that. 1, 2, ready, go. 1. Advanced people, after your 4 beats on that A minor, play the intro riff again and land on the next chord. So let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, now we are at the chorus. We need G minor. And 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1. 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. Not bad, right? Let's try the chorus. 1, 2, ready, go. Keep going. B flat. One more time. After the chorus, you're going to repeat that intro lick twice. 1, 2, again, go. And actually, that's it. Everything else in the song repeats. Remember, again, if you would like to sound exactly like the song or to play along with the song, then tune your ukulele down half a step. So bring it down, loosen the strings half a step. and then you'll sound exactly like the song. Alrighty, berries, if you want to sound exactly like the song, tune your ukuleles down half a step. But if you want to sound exactly like me here, we're just going to keep standard tuning. Our first chord is B flat, then A minor, then D minor. And the intro sounds like this. 1, 2, again, and. 1, 2, again, and. 1, 2, last time, go. Okay, for the next part, we want to move every 2 beats, except at the end of a phrase. So it'll sound like this. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do that little intro like again. And then we continue back into the 1, 2s. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. End of a phrase. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back into the phrase. And you can add more motion if you are ready for it. So 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Okay? So let's try verse 1. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. You got it. For the chorus, I'm sorry, you're not gonna like some of these chords. We have G minor, E flat, sorry, B flat, and F. I'm sorry. They're so bad for Barry. Usually songs will be easier for us, but this one is the level up your skills challenge with the Barry. So we have G minor, E flat, B flat, and F. I'm so sorry, you guys. Okay, here we go. Let's try it super duper duper slow. Let's try again. Ready, go. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it and keep going. 1, 2, try your best. Again, G minor. You know what's toughest about that is the jump from E flat to B flat. So let's go to E flat, bar, and add the 2 fingers, and then jump. Come back, do it again. E flat, jump. Back, ready, go. 2, jump. 1, 2. Now let's try the whole phrase with adding that jump. 1, 2, G minor, go. chorus we have that phrase again, G minor, E flat, B flat, but then we go to D minor, F, G minor. And then we go back to the little intro lick 2 times. Again, ready, go. Everything else in the song repeats either the intro, the verse, or the chorus. So you have everything that you need to be able to play this. The only thing is, you'll have to tune down half a step if you want to sound exactly like the song. Hope you had fun with this one. I had fun with this one. It made me actually like the song. I'm one of the few people who wasn't crazy about the song, but I like it now. Now that I've played it, it's pretty cool. It's alright, I guess. Alrighty, keep posting using the hashtag and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!